jelly prawns in there.
Oi, oi.
Oh no, why? No, why? It's called J-braid. Oh, we're not catching much, but anyway. Caught a few sticks. Oh, I haven't done the actual resistance, so I've done the other resistance, but I haven't done the click setting one. Oh, first cast, of course.
Good cast, mate.
Get the hollow belly down there. Wee, that's so light. This is where you want to be, nice and close. Oh no. If you keep your lure closer like this, you can get a better flick on it, like this.
Yeah, I just got shit aim.
All of them.
Yeah, I think you'll come. Got better aim than I do.
Ooh, cast in. Ming Coda. It's a great cast. Ooh, yep, no. Wee, no. My bad. Yeah, flick it right up and on. Try to get out of it, follows. Yeah. Oh, that would have been a double whammy then. Hey, what's wrong? Oh no, oh no, oh no. He's done it. Should be on both. What's 12 feet? Oh. Give this flats rats a try.
You know, right there.
Oh, you could, but if that gets hit.